Welcome to the tutorial on quantitative analysis using Stata software. Now I am going to show you how to input the data into the Stata software. For inputting data into the Stata software, you can import data or you can manually input data. For importing data, you can click on File, then click on Import, then select the file type. Suppose I am going to import a Excel spreadsheet, so I'm clicking on it. So then you can see import first row as variable name, so I'm clicking here, then clicking browse. From the drive from your computer, you can select the file, then click on open. But the Stata is showing that there is a problem in importing data. In that case, I'm going to manually input the data. For that purpose, I am opening the Excel file. So this is my data, where this is the company name, and for each company I have given a unique ID. Suppose this is one company, ID number 1, this is another company, ID number 2, this is third company, ID number 3. In the same way, there are 36 companies data, for which I have given 36 ID, unique ID, and for each firm I have collected data for 5 years. You can see 5 years data, and I have given the time period 1 to 5 years. So from the data we can see it's a panel data because the row is indicating the cross-sectional data, and here this is time series data because I have taken 5 years data for one firm, so time series data. So whenever there is a cross-sectional as well as time series data, that is known as panel data. I am going to copy all the data from this Excel file to import in the Stata software. I have copied the data, then I am going to manually input the data in the Stata software. Click on data, data editor, and data editor edit. So this is the data editor sheet where I will input the data. So whenever I am going to paste the data for importing the data, there is a pop-up window which is showing treat first row as data or treat first row as variable names. Since in my Excel file the first row is indicating the variable name, that's why I am going to click on this treat first row as variable names. So after clicking on it, you can see the data is taken into the Stata software, where you can see these are the variable names, and whenever you click on each variable, it is showing that the data type, the bank name is string data type, here ID is a byte, and here is also integer number, T byte number, and here ROE is a float variable, CSR is a float variable, CLR is a float variable. So in this data, since it's a panel nature data, so I have given unique ID, and for each firm there are 5 years data, you can see. And here in this analysis, the ROE is the dependent variable, and CSR and CLR independent variable. ROE indicates the return on equity, and CSR indicates the corporate social responsibility, and CLR is indicating the classified loan ratio. From this data you can do the analysis. So I'm going to save the data for future use. So for saving, we have to give a name. After giving a suitable name, you can click on save. So data is saved in the Stata software. Now you can do the analysis. So I'm going to close the data editor sheet. So you can see in the Stata software, these are the variable name is showing, and on the left side you will see what are the command you are giving, and the output will be shown in this place. Whenever you are working on Stata software, if you think that you need to save all the command as well as all the output, then you can create a log file. Click on file, then click on log, then click on begin. So after doing all the command and after getting all the output, you can close the log file. Since I'm going to start the log file, then I'm clicking begin. So I will have to show in which drive of my computer I'm going to save the log file. So after indicating the drive, then you can give a title or name for this log file. After giving a title of your log file, you can click save. So whenever you are done by doing all the instructions or command, you can click file, then log, then close. Since I am going to start my analysis, that's why I will not close the log file. Since I am going to show you how to do the panel data analysis using the Stata software, that's why at the initial stage I have to declare that my data is panel nature. For that purpose I have to give command xt set, then you can see this is the ID and this is the time. So after giving this command, the output is showing that my data is a strongly balanced panel data, where I have taken 1 to 5 years data for each ID or for each individual farm. Now I will show you how to understand the structure of variable or types of variable. For understanding the types of variable, you can give command describe, then press enter. You can see the command describe. It is showing that all the variable types, bank is a string data, ID is a byte data, year integer data, T byte data, and ROE, CSR and CLR, they are float types of data. Now I will show you how to see the descriptive statistics for the variables. For that purpose the command is summarize. So this is the command you can input to see the descriptive statistics. So I'm pressing enter. You can see from the summarize command you will get the mean, standard deviation, minimum value, maximum value of the each variable, and here you can see the observation. OBS means observation. Everywhere the observation is 180. That indicates that there is no missing data. To find out whether there is any missing data, you can give this command, as well as to understand the descriptive statistics you can give this summarize command, where you will get the mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum value of each variable. Now I'm going to show you how to find out the correlation matrix among the variables. The command is correlate. Then you have to indicate the variable names. So I'm clicking here, click on here, click on here. So after clicking the variable names, at the initial stage you have to give the command correlate. Then you have to input the variable names, then press enter. You can see this is the correlation matrix, where you can see these are the coefficient of correlation. In this way you can calculate the correlation matrix among the variables.